This is the second of parabolas where you've got this beautiful parabola shape in nature, and we're going to study more about it. Here we have our basic parabola y equals x squared. When we put a minus 4 on the end of it, it shifts the parabola down 4 units, so we get a shape like that. And when we have a minus 3, x has to be positive 3 to make 3 minus 3 0. That's why it shifts it along positive 3 on the x-axis. Y equals x squared minus 4 plus 2. The x value will be positive 4, the y value positive 2 for the vertex. The vertex is the lowest point. You go out 1, up 1, out 1, up 3, out back 1, up 1, back 1, up 3 to draw in your parabola. For this one, let's have a look at the x value. The x value will be minus 5 to make the bracket 0, the y value minus 4. Having located your vertex, you then go out 1, up 1, out 1, up 3, out 1, up 5, etc. And you get a nice rounded parabola. Make sure the bottom is nice and curved. Visualize this one. Where is the vertex going to go, the bottom point? Having found the x and y value, plot that as your vertex, go out 1, up 1, etc. And there we get a nice smooth parabola with a rounded bottom. Working backwards to find the equation, find the vertex and work out what the x and y values are. You can see the x value is 2, the y value is negative 1. So write the equation. It's parabola, so it has to be squared. Write the x value in there, make it negative because we have to make the bracket 0. 2 minus 2 makes 0. And the minus 1 is the y value at the end. Well, this seems to be going great. So what's the vertex of this one? Write the equation. How long has it been shifted along the x-axis? 0, and down 4 on the y. Of course, it's much better to write it like this. So, ready for another one. Here we go. So what's the equation? Look at the vertex, find the x value and the y value. Then put them in. The x value is this one here, and the y value is minus 3. We change the sign of the x one only because negative 5 plus 5 has to equal 0. Isn't that cool? So now write the equations of these two graphs. The first one is our basic parabola. What's the equation of the red one? And there you have it. Now we have a little bit more to learn before we learn the equation of these exciting big parabolas. Too big for me.